Hi, are you ready for your 20 questions?
Yes, I am.
Awesome. How are you today?
I'm great.
And what is your name?
My name is Deb.
Hi, Deb. And what is your position?
I'm head of social media and content creators at Bazaart.
What does your workstation look like?
It should be clean as I'm kind of OCD, so let's check this out.
And what is your favorite Bazaart feature?
I think I would say the remove. You have no idea how many people or objects I remove from my photos since I started to work here.
And Twitter or Instagram?
TikTok.
Who is your favorite TV show character?
Monica from Friends, for sure.
Yeah. And what is a must-have clothing item that you think everyone should own?
I think good and fitted white t-shirts.
Yeah.
A
Coffee or tea?
coffee.
What lipstick do you use?
I use a lip oil from Clarence that I really like.
Awesome. And who's your favorite artist?
James Toro is a very cool artist. I really like what he does with light and space and shapes. I think it's really cool.
What are 3 things that you always have in your handbag?
I have my phone, my wallet, and chewing gums.
What's something you notice about someone when you first meet them?
Their eyes. Yeah, for sure.
Love that. Who was the last person you DM'd?
Probably my husband or my friend Shelly.
And favorite season?
Fall.
What's your favorite color?
It's definitely a mix of all colors, which is black.
And what's your guilty pleasure?
Very cliche Christmas movies, thanks to Mark.
It's 4 a.m. on a Saturday night. What do you eat?
There is a French thing that I really like to make. It's a very good hangover cure. It's pasta with butter and grated emmental on top.
How would you define yourself in 3 words?
Funny, reliable, and loving.
And what is your favorite app?
Bazaart, of course.